This is Pioneer's AVH-310EX. This is a 2-DIN AM/FM CD and DVD receiver with a 6.8-inch touchscreen and built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The Bluetooth system is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It can play back videos and music from a USB flash drive. There are 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and a 13-band graphic EQ. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, there we go. Okay, the first thing we have here is the wire harness, and the wire harness we'll use to connect all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle, like power, ground, speakers, all those sorts of things. Next up, we have the USB extension. Now, the USB port is on the back of this in-dash receiver, so we include a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next up, we have some install screws, and we have next the Bluetooth microphone. Now, the Bluetooth microphone here comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. And we have the quick start guide. There's a quick start guide. And please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual right to your cell phone in PDF form from pioneerelectronics.com. And the last thing we have here is the warranty card. All right, so let's get the receiver up out of there. There we go. The front panel of the AVH-310EX has the volume control right here. The home button is here. The system has multicolor illumination. The CD and DVD slot is here across the top. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 6.8-inch touchscreen. On the back panel of the AVH-310EX, we'll start off with the USB port right here. You can use this to play back music and movies from a USB flash drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring the USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. The yellow port here is the video output. The brown jack here is for the optional ND BC8 backup camera from Pioneer. This is the audio and video auxiliary input. And next we have 3 sets of 2-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They are set up as front, rear, and subwoofer output. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. And the one on the bottom is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And finally, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-310EX and what's in the box.